In this video, I'll show you how to buy Kindle books on Amazon. So when we hop over to Amazon.com or UK or wherever you're from, what you want to do is go to the left where it says all, and then you want to go to Kindle and e-reader books, and then you want to go to the Kindle store section and click on Kindle books, unless of course you're using Kindle Unlimited. And in here, you can see all kinds of books. You can search for books and so forth. But let's say you want to buy The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. What you want to do is just click on that, and you'll see you have purchasing options here. So obviously, you can buy now with one click, but there is also the Kindle Unlimited option. And so if you've never subscribed to Kindle Unlimited, you can get 30 days free. As well as if you click on this little section at the bottom here, you can add an audiobook version of this for $4.93 extra. And those are your options for purchasing Kindle books on Amazon.com, or of course subscribing for Kindle Unlimited. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.